What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we got this McLaren 720S in for a Genesis maintenance detail, and if you take a look at this car, it's pretty dirty. So this client is very picky about who washes his car, and he only uses Genesis detailing because he trusts the way we do our little process with the 2-bucket method, preventing any sort of swirls and scratches onto this guy's paint. So today we're just gonna do a nice little maintenance detail, bring it back to par, make it look all nice and spiffy again. What's included in the maintenance detail with Genesis detailing is a 2-bucket foam wash. All the wheel faces get cleaned, undercarriage try to get as much as possible. Then door jambs are polished out, windows, interior, exterior. Interior gets vacuumed, wiped down, all the dust gets removed. Any sort of stains, I kind of spot treat it. So let's get this process started and move on with this car.
Same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you, all dreams they come true. Stay down till the end, need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's, no time for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I never be going and switching it up. Rockin' with the people who been following me when I never thought it would've happened and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got, I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith, came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up on my 2 hands, if you wanna talk I need 2 bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans. Don't get involved if you're not my fan, but if you were willing to sacrifice when I roll the dice, then I'm counting you in. Same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you, all dreams they come true. Stay down till the end, need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's, no time for fake friends. Ain't about money, it's about being loyal, cause when I had nothing they stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget but I never forget, money is power but care about respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed, material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones, making memories worth millions. Goddamn, part of the plan, do what I do and I do it for them. 7 a.m. and I'm going to bed, I can't let the competition get ahead. I've been going like I never gotta run, I wanna stop it. I've been thinking about the people who be talking about they love it, and I know I gotta keep on winning, never gonna give into the negative energy, cause I gotta go and get a foot up. Same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you, all dreams they come true. Stay down till the end, need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's, no time for fake friends. I pull up, you know I be moving, whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent, all of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance, all of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted, life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it, yeah. Look at me now, I came up. I've been thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game, cause I never got it my way. Never got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change, no Kanye. Gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot, but then I gave a lot, and now I had enough. But I've been keeping up, and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice, and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in a cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving, whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent, all of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance, all of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted, life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it, yeah. My family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio cooking up music, cause I know I never got time to waste. This is a decision I gotta make. Made it here, I can't stop now. Had to make what I
got. Alright, so the McLaren is now completely done. We did a full maintenance detail on this thing, got everything between door jambs, interior's all cleaned up. Exterior is looking very spiffy and nice and glossy again. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys did like this video, give me a nice thumbs up. Thank you, Jacob. Jacob is the new helper for Genesis detailing. He's the one that was doing the majority of the work while I was filming. Press subscribe, share it with all your friends. And I want to thank you guys for all the support. The channel is growing very quickly and I cannot thank you guys enough. But for now, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Decision I gotta make, made it here, I